There was just some fluttering activity going on. I don't know if it was one of the babies, but one of the parents showed up on that column right there. And of course, oh, is that the mama? Or is that the baby? Oh my gosh, a little activity. She might be feeding them. Oh, I don't want to scare her, so I'm not going to move. Well, this might be a long video. Might have to make it just a video, not a short. I don't know if this is a couple of them's flying day or not. You know, not all the eggs hatch at once, and so some mature quicker, you know, like maybe a day or two or a couple of days in between them, you know. One's growing while the other's still in the egg. Don't see any more activity. Did she fly off and I just missed it? Or he? There's two birds that come and visit the nest. Oh look, oh look. Let's see if I can zoom in a little more. Okay, what's she doing? What's Mama doing? Oh gosh. Sorry about the camera shaking. Oh, there's... Oh shoot. There was one of the parents that just... I'm gonna zoom out in case the parent comes back. So you can see they just stop on that column and look down into the nest, and they monitor how the babies are doing. Oh my goodness. We're now into 2 minutes. Wow. I see she's doing something. And she's so light that, thank goodness, that little wreath stays stable. Okay, I'm gonna have to shut this off. This is almost 3 minutes. Whatever I didn't catch, oh well. Ah, wait. Do I see somebody? Oh, I see somebody. It's got to be Mama or Daddy. Ah. But there was a whole lot of fluttering. I think one of the baby birds was trying out its wings. Huh. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off now. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Look, look, look. Oh, I'm glad I didn't shut it off. Ah. That was another parent. Okay, my arms are giving out.